I'm about to say something that's probably going to bum you out. You should probably sit down. Are you ready? According to my sources, summer is long gone for a lot of us in the East and Midwest. We still have nearly 4 months of winter left. I know that stinks, but now is the perfect opportunity for your customers to do some work on their vintage vehicles. It's not like conditions are good enough to drive that classic around right now in some states anyway, so why not upgrade them with some tires before next riding season? In this video, we discuss how to recommend the best tires to your classic vehicle owners. Definitions of classic cars can vary. Consider it to be an older vehicle that is historically interesting and worthy of restoration, preservation, and care. You need to make sure you know how to recommend the best tires for vintage vehicle owners. This requires a deeper level of understanding about the customer, their interests, and how they plan to use the vehicle. If they only plan to use it occasionally during good weather spouts, it may be a good idea to recommend some authentic bias-ply reproduction tires that match the original equipment of the vehicle. However, say they plan to drive their vehicle regularly. It would be smart to recommend some modern radial tires. Deciding between the vintage bias-ply tires or modern radial tires is a tough and inevitable decision many classic car owners have to make, but you can at least help them make the right one. Some experts say that if a customer's classic car requires the same tire as the original equipment, then they're going to want to use a vintage tire manufacturer to purchase them. However, if they have options and can fit a vintage-looking but modern radial tire, they have other alternatives. If your customers have the option to choose between bias-ply or radial but can't decide, try explaining the difference between them. Bias-ply tires may look cool in vintage, but customers who want to drive their classic cars a lot should probably go with a modern radial tire since it focuses more on performance and handling. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tire service and shop operations videos. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.